Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, Shah Mahmood Qureshi, my very dear friend Abdurrazzaq Dawood, Zain Qureshi Sahab, Al-Mai Officer, His Excellency the Ambassador of Turkey, His Excellency the Ambassador of Iran, His Excellency the Ambassador of Italy, His Excellency the Ambassador very close to my heart, Kazakhstan, and also His Excellency the representative of Uzbekistan. It is a great defining moment, especially for Pakistan Railway and for the government of Pakistan to inaugurate this connectivity between Islamabad, Iran and Turkey. It is a milestone, at least since I have taken over this portfolio. And I really appreciate, compliment businessman who has made this evening great for Pakistan, Iran and Turkey. The hard work that they have done, Pakistan Railway has opened its door for every business activity, every business connectivity between all the countries or all the region. We are not going to stop just sending this particular freight train to all these three great countries, but we are opening our door, strengthen basically business to business relationship, and then we will start after that the passenger train. Let me also share with you that I am not a young man. When back in 1966, when I was a college student, I traveled on this particular train going to Iran, Turkey, Yugoslavia, Austria, Germany and all that. And I think today it is a dawn of new era that business activity has already started. Look at the beautiful engine and the driver and our custom officer sitting back there. So this will not stop today. This will be continuous every week, 10 days to 11 days trip. And once our track is going to be upgraded, this will be a shortest route going to all those countries, taking our freight. And the biggest thing is the input cost, which always Razzaq Dawood in every cabinet meeting, he would stand up, he said the cost should not go up. 50% cost is going to be decreased with this particular train. And once our track is on the line and upgraded, you can imagine that 1/3 is only going to be left. So it is a great opportunity for the importer and for the exporter. Take our freight to all those countries and bring goods from those countries back to Pakistan. I wish you good luck, and especially to Harun brothers, to Max brother, my prayers and my leaders' prayers are going to be with you. And Imran Khan is always loving Turkey, loving Iran, and this route is going to be a very pivotal role in the history of Pakistan Railway. God bless you all. Pakistan, Payandabad.